In this video, I want to show you how to use a USB cable to set up your Brother MFC-L2900DW with your computer. This way, you won't have to rely on the Wi-Fi to print, and it's a lot more reliable. So let's get started right away. This cable is not included in the box, unfortunately. So I will put a link towards Amazon in the description of this video if you don't already have one. You need to go on the back of the printer. Take this end of the cable and we need to connect it on the lower right side, right over here. Now take the other end of the cable and you can go ahead and connect it to your PC or Mac computer. This is a PC. 99% of the cases, it will work right away without you having to download any driver. But if it doesn't, bear with me just a few seconds. I'll show you afterwards how to download the driver. So now open any file you wish to print. You're going to click on the printing icon. And over here on the left side, you're going to select your Brother printer. Then after changing a few settings, depending how many copies you want and other stuff, you're going to press print and it should work. Usually in 12 to 13 seconds, the print will come out. Perfect. Now, as I said, if you had issues with this and you want to download manually the driver because your PC is not able to do so, let me show you how this is done. You're going to go on Google and tap the model name of your printer. And at the end, type driver and search. One of the first results should be from the official Brother website. As you see, Brother USA. Tap on this. Select which operating system you're currently on, so Windows, or you're on a Mac, Linux. Go down, select your version, press OK to confirm. Go down, and you should see Easy Setup. You're going to click on Easy Setup. You're going to go down, select Agree, and the download will start. After it finished, double click that file and you will be able to download and install the driver that was missing. And finally, let me show you how to scan documents and get the result on your computer. So this printer has two different scanners, a scanner glass and a top document feeder. If you want to input some paper on the scanner glass, you're going to take it and you're going to place with the face that you want to scan facing down, with the top part of your document towards the left side. Make sure to align the top left corner of your page with the top left corner of the scanner. Both needs to be touching. Then you can close the lid. But for this video, I'll use the automatic document feeder. Over here, you can extend this flap, all right? Because the paper that gets scanned will come out. And if this is not extended, it will fall on the ground. This scanner is able to scan on both sides of the paper, which is great. For example, let's say I want to scan this page that is printed on both sides, and also this one that is not printed on both sides. You're going to place the first page of your document on the top, facing up. Align your paper, make sure there is no staples, if not it will get jammed. And then you're going to simply glide it inside until you hear a beep. This is just the printer telling you that it has detected a document. On your PC computer, go in the search bar and we need to find the Scan app. It's an app that comes included with your PC, so you don't have to download it, at least for most people. So go ahead, type scan and you should see it over here. If you don't have it, simply go into the Microsoft Store and download it. It's free, it's made by Microsoft, and it's pretty useful. Now that the scan app is open, you're going to go on the left side and select your Brother printer. Then under source, I suggest that you click on it and you select where you have input your paper, in the automatic document feeder on the top or the flatbed scanner. In my case, it's feeder. Select the file type you wish to have. I'll select PDF. Click on Show More. And you're going to have more details, like if you want to scan in color or black and white, the resolution, leave it like this, and in which folder you want the file to go. I'll leave it to desktop. Press the scan button once you're ready, and the scanning will begin. You see the paper goes there, and it comes out over here. And at the end, you should have a message confirming that it has been saved on your computer. Here we go. Scan was saved to desktop. You can view it, close this, and scan more. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, take a moment, leave a like, comment down below, even if it's negative. I don't care. I want to know why you didn't like my video. So write a comment, subscribe, and if you want to get some paper, so a new toner, or even a new printer, check my Amazon links. Every time you go through them, I get a very small commission. It doesn't cost you more, but it supports my channel. See you in the next one.